Have you ever wondered about the weight distribution on different axles of a truck? Today, I'll break down the allowed weights on steers, drives, and tandem axles to help you understand how these drivers manage their loads safely and efficiently. Working our way from the front of the truck to the back of the truck, we have the steer axle, which is located in front of the truck, directly beneath the engine. The weight allowed on the steer axle is typically between 12,000 to 13,000 pounds. This is crucial for maintaining proper steering control and stability while driving. Next up, we have the drive axles. The drive axles are located right behind the cab, and they are responsible for basically moving the truck forward or backwards. These axles can carry up to 34,000 pounds. Ensuring the correct weight distribution here is essential for effective traction and power delivery. Moving on to the tandem axles. The tandem axles are located at the rear of the trailer. These axles can also support up to 34,000 pounds. Properly loaded, these axles help balance the load and maintain vehicle stability during transit. Whether you're a seasoned trucker or new to the industry, knowing the weight limits on steers, drives, and tandem axles is vital for safe and efficient trucking operations. Ensuring proper weight distribution not only enhances the vehicle performance, but also complies with regulatory standards.